me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Just wanted to show you some of the things that I bring to work with me, to be organized, to plan, to prep. And that's what's key. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll get all my newest videos by email. So what did I bring this week? I am bringing some of my Mama Lupa tortillas. I love them. One Smart Point low carb grocery store. I like them crispy, as you can see. And I like them regular, like not toasted sometimes as well if I'm making a wrap. I have some of my breakfast muffins, Risa Weiner YouTube, different kinds. This one's my newest one, my chocolate peanut butter. And I have my chili leftover, Risa Weiner YouTube. The great thing about making lots and bigger portions is when you freeze it, you have lots of leftovers, which makes things easier when you're prepping. I like the Iogo yogurt. I have that with some fruit. Sometimes I throw in some cereal or oatmeal. I have my golden berries from Costco and clementines, my ambrosia apples, but I love lots of different kinds, nectarines, and frozen fruit I like to keep in the freezer at work. I like it, all of this as a snack, or I add it to my yogurt or to my oatmeal, which I keep at work, or my cereal. I love the chicken skewers from Costco. And sometimes I have it in a wrap. Sometimes I just have it like that with veggies and lots of vegetables. Some of it I keep in a baggie, and others I don't, because then I can just cut it up nice and fresh and just dip it in some salad dressing. Of course, fat-free salad dressing, low sugar salad dressings that I keep at work. And of course, I also have lots of different snacks that I keep at work. Weight Watchers snacks, some veggie straws. I keep cereal as a snack, popcorn. So you just have to be prepared, have everything ready so that you just don't have to go out to buy things, and then you control what you put in your mouth. The calories, the saturated fats, the sugars, and of course your protein and sodium, which makes a difference on your journey. So I hope this helps you guys as well when you're meal planning, prepping, grocery shopping, some ideas that you can do as well for the week. And I like to change it up. So this will most likely last me most of the week. And then I don't get bored. All right. So take care. Happy shopping, happy meal prepping and planning. And I know you're going to do great on your journey. Risa Weiner YouTube. Don't forget, share with lots of people that are foodies. You don't have to be on Weight Watchers or WW Wellness That Works to enjoy my channel and my group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. My Instagram, Risa's Piece 8, for lots more inspiration, motivation, tips. All right, love you guys. Oh, and my website, www.risaweiner.com. Take care.